Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a skincare video and I'm going to tell you how to make a DIY face mask using orange peel, and this mask is mainly for blemish reducing mask. So blemishes by blemish I mean dark spots, whatever kind of dark spots you have or any kind of spots, और आपके discoloration है face पे, तो आप वो सब आपका हट सकता है with this mask. So it's amazing, and you just need 3 products for this mask to make, and you don't need any extra product to go and buy from the market also. So it's super easy and you're gonna love this mask. I won't say everything here only, so yeah. So now without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
And it goes a little something like
So for the mask you only need 3 products, and the first is orange peel, which is very simple. You can make it at home also, you don't need to go and buy from the market. So how you can make the orange peel ka powder at home? So first you just need basically two things: orange juice and blender. So firstly, the orange peel into small pieces, and then put into tray or plate, whatever you prefer, and lay it in the sun. So lay it for like 5 days. Yeah, it would take 5 days to dry it out completely. Then uske baad, after the 5 days, you just need to crush them and put it in a blender, and there it is. It will become into the powder form. So yeah, it's very simple. It will take max 5 days to dry it out completely, and yeah, just that much you need to do. And second thing you need is honey. I guess everybody has it in their homes. And third is yogurt, which is dahi. Again, we all love dahi. I don't, yeah. So everyone have dahi in their homes. So yeah, these 3 are products you need. And now let's make the pack. So we'll take a bowl. So now we're just gonna put 2 teaspoons of orange peel. So here is one, and the second. So we have taken 2 tablespoons of orange peel. Then we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of honey.
Oh, yeah, that's much.
1 teaspoon of honey. And then we're gonna add a teaspoon of dahi. Now mix it well. आप इसे मिक्स करते रहोगे टू फाइन पेस्ट. एकदम फाइन पेस्ट नहीं बन जाता. और अगर you think dahi yogurt is less, so put it more. So I've made the paste, and yeah, there it is, done. It's a bit thick, but it's proper to apply it. So now the mask is all ready, and now we can apply it. Before applying the mask, make sure your hair tied up, so that I'm ready to apply the mask. And make sure before that your skin is all clean. अपने face wash कर लिया अच्छे से. There's nothing on your face, no makeup, nothing, and your face is all cleaned. Yeah, so that's what I've done, and now just apply the mask. So I don't have a brush to apply the mask. I'm going to do it with my hands only, so please excuse me. Okay, so let's do it with the hands. Please excuse me. So this mask is it's so beneficiary. This mask has a lot of benefits. Okay, firstly, it's blemish free. So आपको अपने dark spots या कोई भी spots या discoloration हटाना है, so this is the mask that you should go for. And you can, all skin type can apply this mask. So yeah, everyone can apply this mask. Orange peel has vitamin C, calcium and potassium. Orange peel has natural bleaching properties, which is amazing. So it lightens the dark spots and all. That's why. And also now this mask has honey and yogurt. So आपको honey, honey is best for the hydration and nourishes skin. And same with the yogurt, it nourishes skin so much. It just gives you that natural glow. And also honey has natural antiseptic, antibacterial properties. It is so amazing. And for the yogurt, it kills your acne causing germs and bacteria. Oh my god. So now you can see this mask has so many benefits, which I'm totally loving. and I don't like yogurt. Yeah, I'm a person, I don't enjoy yogurt, but for skin, I'm gonna apply it, man. I can do that much for my skin. Oh my, it's getting a little gross, so please excuse me.
So now stop talking, just apply it.
See, I have applied the mask and now I have to keep the mask for 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you after 15 minutes. So my mask is all dried up. So now I'll go and wash my face with cold water and I'll see you then. I'm loving my skin right now. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it and it's helpful for you. So at least make sure to make this mask once and try it out. And if you like it, then go on with this mask, and it's amazing, believe me. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share my video. And that's it. I'll see you with my next video. Till then, bye.